guys, my name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. I caught you off guard with that, didn't I?
Yes, you did a little bit.
Did you think you were going to talk to me?
I'm just going to try.
Yeah. Well, guess what? We have other priorities tonight, Steven.
Ooh. Gloves are off early tonight.
I forgot what I was saying now.
Good. Mission accomplished.
Anyways, welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're so happy to have every single one of you here today. I am here today with this loser. His name is Steve.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. I'm here today with my adorable, precious, sweet, handsome, honka burning Steve to do a holiday tag. Was that nice? See?
Yeah, that worked.
Y'all were expecting some kind of an insult, and there it was with a compliment.
Yeah, we'll see how long it lasts.
It won't. You know this. But anyways, we are here to do a holiday tag. These questions were created by Roy over at Recipes with Roy, and we were also tagged by Roy over at Recipes with Roy. I will link his channel down below, guys, so make sure you go check him out. He shares all kinds of really yummy recipes for weight loss, so make sure you go check him out. And, of course, big thanks to Roy for always thinking of us.
Yes, thanks, Roy.
All right, Steve has the questions on his phone, so let's get started.
Numero uno.
Yes.
Would you rather go skiing, ice skating, or sledding?
Sledding. Skiing hurts my ankles. My feet turn in a lot when I walk, so ice skating I get like massive sores. And skiing I'm very hesitant and I fall a lot, but sledding, I could do some mad sledding. We'll leave it at that.
Yeah, I would definitely say sledding. Skiing and I don't do very well.
We've both had good injuries.
Yeah. All right. Ready for number 2?
Yes.
All right. Is snow a blessing or a curse?
I love snow. I don't like driving in it. It makes me nervous, but I think there's something very peaceful about a nice snow. It's not a snowstorm, but like a snowfall. I think it's really pretty. And I definitely feel blessed that we get to experience those in Indiana. They're not usually too bad. Sometimes they are, and that scars you for life. But, you survive.
Yep. I'd say blessing. Yeah, I like the snow. Yep. All right. Question number 3. What is your favorite holiday movie?
Ooh, can I guess yours and you guess mine?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to guess yours. I'm going to tell you what it is.
Ooh.
Chevy Chase Christmas Vacation and Emmett Otter's Jug Band Christmas.
Yes.
Because we just watched it last night.
You know, I asked like 10 people at work if they've ever heard of that. Not a one.
No?
Not a one.
Do you guys know Emmett Otter's Jug Band Christmas? Let us know down in the comments. We both grew up with that one. It's a classic in our hearts, for sure.
Yes, love it. Yeah. And yours is Elf.
Yes. And what's my favorite Christmas cartoon?
Ooh. Grinch. Uh-oh.
Okay, so what, I love the Grinch. I actually love all the cartoons, and I couldn't decide until I remembered that there's one Christmas video or DVD or Blu-ray that I look for every single year. What is it?
'Twas Night Before Christmas with the mice.
The mouse. 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. That is my favorite. Oh, that one just melts my heart.
Yes,
but I love them all, so yeah.
Took me a second, but I got it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's a good one, too. I like that one.
It is. It's sweet.
Yep. All right. Question 4. What are your top 3 winter essentials?
Well, number 1, Steve puts together my car safety kit for me. Number 2, Steve has to have a cell phone on him at all times. And number 4, we have to have good number 4.
Number 4?
1, 2, and 3. I don't have to be able to count for a winter essential. I have to have good tires on my car. And yes, that is the only thing about snow that scares me is driving in it. So my winter snow essentials are all going to be related to my car.
Makes sense.
Yes.
Mine, battery jump starter, jumper cables. Because if this one's dead, I've got these for backup. And some sort of shovel to shovel somebody out.
To shovel your poo that you dish out on a regular basis. I'm trying not to laugh, but that was funny. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, but I'm not going to edit that out.
She broke the internet this time.
I didn't break the internet. I said poo. I said poo. You shoveled the poo. You're the one that did a fake fart.
That's true. Question 5. Would you rather warm up with hot chocolate or cider?
Coffee.
It's not a choice.
But I love
Cider
it.
or chocolate?
Okay, hot chocolate.
I figured you'd come back with a mocha.
See,
Coffee.
if you give me a choice, I'm going to drink the hot chocolate. But if you give me hot apple cider, I would not be disappointed because I love it too. I just don't pick it without being strongly encouraged.
I would say hot chocolate. I like them both. All right. 6. What do you enjoy most about winter?
The holidays.
Yeah, getting together with family.
Christmas and New Year's, and then we have Valentine's Day, and then it's Easter, and by the time Easter comes around, it's pretty much starting to roll in the spring, so the holidays and the family time are definitely my favorite part of winter.
Yep, I agree. All right. 7, do you prefer to travel or stay at home during the holidays?
I like to travel before Christmas, but on Christmas Day, I like to stay home or at least stay in town. All of my family lives out of town, at least an hour and a half to 2 hours away minimum. But Steve's is about 20 minutes away, so I like to spend the holidays with them.
Yeah, some travel's good. I just don't like traveling for the entire holiday. All right. 8, what is your favorite winter activity?
Isn't that kind of like right up there with sledding?
Yeah, kind of.
Sledding. I like going for Christmas drives, or we go and look at the Christmas lights.
That was going to be mine. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, you stole my answer.
Yeah, but as far as like winter activities, did it say holiday activity or winter?
It says winter. It says, what is your favorite winter activity?
I guess sledding.
Okay.
I like to sit inside and cuddle up on the couch and watch movies. Or YouTube. Pretty much YouTube now at this point, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yarsh.
Yeah, let's start a YouTube channel. I think people would like it.
I don't think anyone would watch me.
No? Well.
I'm not very popular. I'm not a cool kid.
Yeah, I know. It's okay, though.
That's how you caught me.
Exactly.
Yes.
That and you were on crutches, so.
I was on crutches.
Couldn't run.
Nope.
Yep, didn't even need to bother clubbing her over the head. Ugh. All right. Question number 9. Ugly Christmas sweater or footy pajamas?
I have ugly Christmas sweaters, but I wouldn't mind a pair of footy pajamas. I think that'd be fun. I've never been able to wear them because I'm so tall. Even when I was a kid, I couldn't wear the footy pajamas because I'm too tall. So, yeah. But now they make men's, so I could probably wear one.
Footy pajamas. Go across the carpet. Build up a good static electric charge.
He gets that from Family Guy. He's very unoriginal. Family Guy. Lose your head.
Kneel before me.
What the heck?
That's what he says in Family Guy.
Oh.
When he was zapping people. Because he had the power of electricity in his fingers.
Okay.
Yes. That's the best I got tonight. All right, question 10. Would it be your dream place? What would be your dream place to visit for the holiday season?
Disney World. I've always wanted to go. So they say to go on Halloween because they change to all their Christmas stuff overnight. So if you go over Halloween, then you get the Halloween, scary, spooky Disney World. And then when you go the next day, it's the Christmas one.
Oh.
Yes. That's what I'd like to do.
I guess I'll just go with Disney too. I really can't think of any place I'd really want to go over Christmas.
You don't want to go to Disney World? We talk about it every year.
I know. I don't know. Kids are older now. I don't know if it would be the same magical.
Clearly, this is coming from somebody who's never been to Disney World.
I've been to Disney World.
Not the right way. Not if you don't want to go back. Clearly, you missed something.
Must have.
Cranky old goat. I'll take my fun husband.
Oh, your fun husband. Okay.
I'm going to leave him with Roy. Roy's going to keep an eye on him for a week. Good luck, Roy. I'm going to Disney World.
Roy and I'll have a good time.
He'll be your babysitter. And you better behave, too.
You have to keep an eye on me.
Is that all of them?
That is it.
That was a sweet tag. That
Yeah,
kind
I
of
like that
warmed
one.
my heart a little bit and kind of brought up some Christmas memories with the movies and the cartoons and the
Definitely.
sledding. Oh my gosh, the stories from sledding.
Mm-hmm.
We were just talking about that at this past weekend of Christmas with my family. My brother was telling my kids how insane one of my falls off the sled was. Actually, I didn't fall off the sled. I stayed on the sled, but I went over a 6-foot cliff down into a frozen creek and landed on a rock. And it was one of those like metal saucer sleds, and there was a big dent in the middle, like right up into my back. It was vicious, but anyways, the neighbor dogs are barking, and Ace hears them, and Ace is in the room across the hall barking at them. So if you can hear our zoo, that's what that is. But we will let you go. Guess what?
I said yes. I didn't say guess what.
Boy.
Weird noises outside tonight. Yeah. Weird.
Dogs are all going crazy. They usually don't. But anyways, we will let you go. Probably some coyotes or something.
Probably.
They were bad. But our dog is inside and safe, so no worries. But anyways, guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying our content and encourages them to promote our videos, which in turn helps us to grow our YouTube family. And gosh darn it, I just remembered I have to tag someone.
I was just about ready to remind you too.
I know, and I forgot to tag last week too, so but I had said something to them previously so they knew. So anyways, guys, I am tagging MEEMA McLiving Healthy. She and her husband did the tag last week, and it was so sweet. I'm telling you guys, she is a fantastic WW content YouTuber for sure, but she is just a sweetheart. Beautiful, inside and out. You guys will not be disappointed. I will link her channel down in the description. So if you're not already part of our YouTube family, go check her out. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. And the same goes for Roy over at Recipes with Roy, guys. Clearly, I mean, you heard the questions. He's a keeper too. So anyways, as I was saying, thumbs up. Helps communicate to YouTube that you guys like our content, encourages them to promote our videos so we can grow our YouTube family. If you're not a member of our YouTube family, please consider hitting that little picture of me down in the corner, or there is a red subscribe button below this video, and you guys will be part of the Cool Club. That's right, the Cool Club.
Yes, we are. We're very popular.
You'll be in chaos.
Yes, we travel in large groups of one. We're very popular.
Whatever, because that's original.
It is. Thank you.
Anyways, guys, before we overwhelm you with our mad sense of humors, we will let you go. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Thanks again to Roy for thinking of us. And MEEMA McLiving Healthy, if you are up for it, you are it. See you next week, guys. Bye.